Welcome to my Power BI lecture video. In this tutorial, we want to learn how to extract data stored in PDF format into the Power BI. Let's get started. Now, I have this particular data that I actually want to extract in a Power BI. So I'm going to go to Power BI. Now, click on the Get Data, and I'm going to click on More. Okay. So having done that, I need to select the PDF that I want to use to extract the particular data. Now, so I'm going to click on PDF, all right, and connect. Okay, so I need to now select the particular PDF, right, and click OK. So we can see that the Power BI is connecting to that particular PDF, and we are about to extract the particular data. Okay. Now we're going to see the navigator dialog box. Now, how can you see? So the next thing I need to do is, now this is the particular table we actually want to import, and this is the preview. So I'm going to click on transform data, and the Power BI Power Query will be open. Can you see the queries is being processed? And we're going to see everything in the Power BI Power Query now, and then we can do some other work of transformation or analysis. Okay, yeah, true. Now, can you see we've actually imported that particular data into the Power BI? Alright, thank you for watching my video. Bye for now.